Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to enable the Adaptive Sound Pro in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, scroll to left where all your control panel options are and scroll down to Settings. Open all settings. And here scroll down to the Advanced Features. Open them and open Intelligent Mode Settings. Make sure that Intelligent Mode is enabled and here open Adaptive Sound Settings. Here the second option you will see here is Adaptive Sound Pro, which remasters the sound using AI, analyzing audio content displayed around your screen in real time to deliver optimized sounds as intended by the original audio engineer. You can either disable this option or enable this option back again using just a simple click. And that's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!